It's summertime here in Louisiana, and we're going to use a few of my favorite things to make a great summertime salad. We got some beets, peaches, tomatoes, whipped goat cheese, some Kinloch balsamic oil, and some Kinloch pecan oil. So we're going to get started here really simply. Just some whipped goat cheese, a little dot here or there. No real method to it, just having fun. Peaches are beautiful this time of year, really sweet and subtle. You know, one of the great things about the pecan oil, we talk about it being a finishing oil, but it's not just a finishing oil. For those of you out there who use other oils in your vinaigrette, you may find that they're too robust and kind of hide the flavors that you're trying to bring out. With pecan oil being neutral, it's going to let those flavors shine through every time. All right, before we go any further, we're going to make our vinaigrette. So it's really simple. I've just got a chopped shallot. And this is more of what I call a broken vinaigrette. Because you don't have to emulsify it completely. So it's equal parts pecan oil and the Kinloch balsamic oil, and we're just going to give that a little whisk. You're not really going to go at it because, again, you kind of want that separation because it looks great on the plate. We're going to dress it 2 times, right here. Then we're going to finish the salad with some arugula. Some basil. We have 2 types of basil from our garden that we literally just picked 20 minutes ago. So we have some Thai basil and some sweet Italian basil. A little bit here and there. There we go. Pickled Fresno chilies on there, some Turkish pepper. A little bit of flake salt. All right. We have some miso granola for that crunch and extra sweetness. It has honey in it, so if you know anything about food, honey, peaches, all that goes together incredibly well, and you gotta have some texture. And we're just gonna finish this salad with a little drizzle of our broken pecan oil and balsamic vinaigrette. And then a few wisps of fennel frond from our garden. That's about as simple as it gets, just using fresh ingredients and local Louisiana certified Kinloch pecan oil.